Hello everyone. So today we'll see how we can edit the data. For that I have made a link same as we have made the link for delete, and we are passing the ID along with in our query params, and the method that we are going to go for is update user in our user model. So here if the request is get, I want to same as in add we have done. If the request is get, we are returning the add form. So same thing we are going to do here. So instead of add form, now it is edit form. So we have this edit form. So same form I can copy for what we have used. The same form that we have used for our add form, same I am using, and this will go to update user. Same method, update user. So let's check. So I'm getting my own IDs. See, I got ID 1. So I want the value to be pre-filled. So for that I will have to fetch the data. So here, if the method is get, then fetch the data. That is app data. Whatever you are getting in query params. So $this request get $ID is equal to my app data ID. Now same way how we were getting all the records, we are going to get only one specific record now here when we will pass our ID. So here on m data we will have to write where clause where is a method ID, my field name is, and my field name value. So ID is equal to, I can directly write app data or I can write $ID. So along with that, in the view we will pass this data $user. Only one user we are getting it. So one user. Let's check if I am getting. You see I am getting my array. So same thing now I can show in my form by using for each. Same how we have used while fetching the data. This time it is user. Instead of placeholder in value, PHP echo $val name. See, I got Tom. Same thing I can do for other fields as well. Also, I will need my ID in an input hidden field so that it will know that which ID I want to update. Name is equal to ID. Value ID. Okay, so I am getting my pre-filled form. Now if the request is post, if dollar method is equal to post, then we want to update the date. So same thing. So whatever I am getting from my form, I have stored it in f underscore data, and in my field, with field, my form value I have given, stored in a array which I am passing update data. I have made a new, have created a new instance of my model, and instead of insert, now I want to update. So update, and in update I will have to pass two parameters, the ID that I want to update and my data. So let's say $ID, and here whatever from the edit form, in the hidden field I am getting my ID, right? So the same I have stored in $ID value, which I am passing in the update method. So for that particular ID, update the data. So let's say instead of Mumbai, I will do it Hyderabad, and see my city is updated. Same way I can edit the name from Max to Mike, and it is updated. So this is how you can use model to update your data.